5 AI side hustles making real money right now. Number 3 changed my life. Number 1, AI content creation. Use Claude to write blog posts, newsletters, and social media content for businesses. Charge $500 to $2,000 per month per client. Number 2, AI automation consulting. Set up make.com and Zapier workflows for small businesses. Most owners have no idea this exists. Charge $2,000 to $5,000 per setup. Number 3, AI video production. Generate scripts, voiceovers, thumbnails, even video clips with AI. Sell packages to YouTubers and brands for $1,000 to $3,000 per video. Number 4, AI powered tutoring. Use AI to create personalized lesson plans and study materials. Parents pay $50 to $100 per hour. Number 5, AI Chatbot development. Build customer service bots for local businesses. Charge $1,000 to $3,000 per bot plus monthly maintenance. The best part? You need 0 coding skills, just Claude, a laptop, and the willingness to start. I went from 0 to 5 figures a month using these exact strategies. Drop hustle in the comments and I'll send you the complete starter kit with templates for all 5. Subscribe for more ways to earn with AI.